Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to automatic serial number with data in Google Sheet. So let's start. The first, open your Google Sheet, and if you want to serial number only when the data is entered, use this formula. Simply select the cell and use this equal to and select here the if function. Then select the first product B2, here I select it. Then use the less than sign, greater than sign. Use the double quote two times. Then use the comma. Then enter the row function, select the row function and bracket close. Then minus 1. Then use the comma again two times, double quote, bracket closed, and just enter. That's it. Here you can see the one number is showing. Now enter the second product and see here automatic serial number with data. Okay, when data is entered, you can see the serial number is added. You can see my product start in the B2. B is a column, 2 is a row number. That's why in formula I subtract the minus 1. You can see in formula minus 1 here showing. If your product start in cell D4, for example, I just copy this product and here in D4 I paste this, which is row number is 4. Okay, then you need to subtract minus 3 to start the serial number from 1. So here I show you. Select the cell, use the is equal to if function, then select your product cell D4, then use the less than sign, greater than sign, double quote, comma, row function and bracket close, then minus 3 and again use the comma, double quote, bracket closed. Okay, you can see I subtract the minus 3. Just press the enter and here you can see one serial number is start. Now drag the fill handle down to apply the serial number to other rows. Okay. Now just enter your product name and see here the serial number start from this way. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like these, please subscribe. Thank you so much.